Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to cash out and withdraw from crypto to bank. So let's dive into it. So one of the easiest way to cash out and withdraw from crypto.com is to make sure your account is being logged into your device. So after that, you have to go to the account and click on crypto wallet and select the icon, the coin, and from there tap sell. And after that, you have to select your fiat currency, which could be your USD, Euro, or GBP, to receive the fund. So after that, review the details and confirm the transaction. So from the home screen, tap the fiat wallet to see your balance, and tap transfer, click the withdrawal, and from there tap the bank account and choose your verified bank account. Then type in the withdrawal amount, review and confirm the details, and that's how you can easily cash out or withdraw from crypto.com to your bank. I hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.